In this video, I will walk you through the entire process of saving your design files as a professional CorelDRAW template. Creating templates is one of the smartest ways to boost your productivity because it allows you to reuse your layouts and settings without having to start from scratch every single time you open the program. To get started with this smart saving technique, you first need to open the specific document you have already designed or create a brand new layout that you want to serve as your future master template. Once your design is exactly how you want it, move your cursor up to the very top of the screen to find the main menu bar. From there, go ahead and click on the File menu. Instead of choosing the regular Save option, you must look further down the list and click on the option labeled Save as Template. As soon as you click this, a new dialog box will pop up on your screen. One of the best things about CorelDRAW is that it automatically directs you to its native templates folder by default. Saving your files into this specific folder is very important because it ensures your design will easily populate inside the new From Template Startup menu whenever you launch the software in the future. Now, find the file name box and type in a clear and descriptive name so you can easily identify this project later on. Before you finish, you must make sure that the Save as Type drop-down menu is correctly set to the CorelDRAW template format, which uses the CDT file extension. This specific extension is what tells the software to treat the file as a master template rather than a standard editable drawing. After you have verified the name and the file format, simply click the Save button to finalize everything.